are making cassava cake with shredded young coconut. So our ingredients today is the shredded cassava cake, 16 ounces per package. We are using 2 packages of the cassava cake. This was frozen and I thawed it. And then you can buy this at the store also. It's called shredded young coconut. You have to drain it. Okay, and then we also have 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of condensed milk. Okay, and now we are ready to mix everything. You can have this freshly grated from scratch, but we don't have that here in the US, so we buy the frozen ones from the store. We are going to scoop 1 cup of shredded young coconut. About 1 cup of shredded young coconut here. And then we are going to save a little bit for the topping. So this is for the topping, this is for the cake. Add the coconut milk. And then we are going to add 1 can of condensed milk. And then we're gonna mix it thoroughly. So this is all blended or mixed together like that, okay? All right, this is all mixed together, very well mixed together. So we are ready to put this in a baking pan that is greased with butter. Now this goes into the oven that has been preheated 375 degrees, and we're going to bake it for about 45 minutes. While the cake is cooking in the oven, we are going to prepare the topping. Okay, for the topping, we have 1/2 of the 14-ounce can of condensed milk, and then 1 small can of evaporated milk. We have some young shredded coconut here. It's less than a cup now because most of the coconut went into the cake, and 1 egg yolk. And there is our egg yolk. Then we are going to do 1/2 of this. And then 1 small can of evaporated milk, and then the egg yolk and the shredded coconut. Mix everything well. So when the cassava cake is done, we are going to put this on top and then bake it for another 15 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes in the oven and the cassava cake is done. Now we are ready to put the topping. So we're gonna pour this over. There you go. And then we are going to put this back in the oven for another 15 to 25 minutes. Okay, after 1 hour, the cassava cake is done. And we have our slice. Kain na!